So hey there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with Odoo ERP, one of the most powerful all-in-one business management tools out there. So whether you need help with your sales, inventory, HR marketing, or even websites building, Odoo has you covered. Today, I will walk you through setting up your account, customizing your workspace, and using some of the most important apps, all in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So make sure to stick around till the end, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. So before we jump into the video, make sure to check the link on the description and on the comment, like on the pinned comment. Okay, so let's get started. First you have to head over to the odoo.com, this one here, odoo.com. Look at the address, this one, and you can also look at its logo, Odoo. You have to visit this website. It is completely free to start, no payments required until your free trial ends. Next, you will be asked to select the apps you want to use. For this demo, I will be choosing some website builder, invoicing, CRM, etc. So first of all, you have to visit their website and tap on to start now. It's free, this option. So now you have to choose like which apps you want to use. Like for example, I'm choosing website builder, e-commerce, CRM for sales, and also restaurant. Okay, that's it. I will choose this one. For also I will choose email marketing from there. This one, email marketing, and employee management here, like employee management. I'm going to choose on to employees. So you can pick whichever apps your business needs. Once you have made your selection, you have to tap onto this icon called continue and then fill out your basic information. Like you have to enter your first name and last name, your email address, your phone number, and that's it. Now you have to tap on to start now. So enter your phone number. I am just entering a random phone number, then tap on to start now. So as you can see, it's saying welcome to Odoo. So welcome. Let it load. So after it completely loads, you have to tap on start now option. So wait until it is fully loaded. Tap on to let's do it. So now you have to enter some basic informations like I want a online store, then and tap on to like what do you want to sell. So I will tap clothes. Now the main objective to choose one. Now choose a color palette. I will choose this one, then tap on to build my website. You can also add some custom features from here. Tap build my website. So let it load fully. You can, as you can see, here are some themes. Also you can tap on to view more themes and edit them. So let it load fully. Like you can click view more themes to explore other options if you want. Like here you can see some. So just choose the theme you prefer. For this I'm going to tap on it, then apply the theme. Set up a basic online store and generate some sample content from here. Wait until it is loaded. let it load. This is almost done. So once it is done, you will see your website preview here. You can tap onto edit and customize this as you wish to edit this. So for images, like you can add image, you can remove this one here from here. Like if you want to wish to delete this one, you can delete, and if you want to add a custom image from there, you can just simply choose an image, drag it over to here and then paste it. Now you can edit here. You can also choose its weight, etc., like content width. For this I'm going to choose this one. You can also customize more from here. As I just did, you can add description like this, alter tag like hey, then enter. You can enter your tooltip. You can crop it and that's it. You can also change the background image and text, like the text here you can see. For this one I like this. You can change your theme from here, light and dark. So you can also, as you can see, you can also change them. You can add images from there. Choose an image which you wish to add, and that's it. This is now you can create your website. That you can also edit this. So this is how you can customize your ERP to Odoo ERP tutorial, and now tap on to save. Here is, you can see your website, and that's it. You can set up your CRM profile like so. You can explore other key apps from there. You can tap onto this A and you can tap onto it for support. You can tap onto my profile here. As you can see, this is your profile. You can add your date, calendar and appointments. So why should consider using Odoo ERP? It is user friendly, it's modular, you pick only the apps you need. It is affordable compared to traditional ERPs. It grows with your business. So I hope you found this beginner tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and co-workers. So, and if you have any questions or you want me to cover specific features in more details, drop a comment below. I am always happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.